Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Have you ever tried a suction cup hook in your bathroom that completely failed and let you down? These ones from SOCONT are gonna change your opinion. These things are awesome. These are a vacuum suction cup, so it makes them super durable and they really stay put. So I was looking for something to use in the shower, but you can use these on any surface that is smooth and clean and dry. And these things are amazing. They hold up to a max weight of 15 pounds and they can last for several years. The other awesome thing is that when you remove them, there's no damage, there's no residue left behind, there's no ring or anything like that. They just come off like they were never there and you can put them in another location. So you place them against your smooth surface and then you activate with the lever, and that is going to suck that suction cup in and lock it into place, and then it is not going to budge. It is not going anywhere. So not only are these suction cup hooks really versatile, you can use them in or out of your bathroom, you can move them around, they're really strong and durable. I also think they look really nice. They don't look so just utilitarian. I think they're pretty to look at as well. And these would make a great addition to anyone looking to organize and store a variety of different items. So definitely check out these SOCONT suction cup hooks. I think they're awesome, and that's my point of view.